External communication involves the exchange of information between a business and outside entities. This includes customers, suppliers, and government agencies. It's crucial for maintaining relationships and building trust. Different channels like emails, social media, and newsletters are used. Effective external communication ensures clarity and understanding. Businesses adopt various strategies based on their audience and message. For instance, investor communication differs from customer outreach. Good news and bad news require different approaches. Public relations help create a positive image. Tailoring strategies enhances communication effectiveness. Public relations use psychological insights to shape public perception. Media relations focus on fostering good ties with journalists. Businesses aim to influence media narratives. This can help in crisis situations. Effective media relations can turn challenges into opportunities. Advertising targets specific audiences with persuasive messages. It promotes products and services effectively. Television commercials and online ads are common examples. Advertising helps increase brand visibility. It's a focused form of external communication. External communication can be verbal, written, or electronic. It depends on the audience and message. Verbal communication includes speeches and presentations. Written forms involve newsletters and press releases. Electronic communication uses social media and websites. External communication helps build and maintain relationships. Trust and credibility are essential for long-term success. Businesses engage stakeholders through various channels. Consistent communication fosters loyalty. It's key to business growth and stability. Effective communication promotes products and services. It creates awareness and interest among potential customers. Marketing campaigns are designed to drive sales. Engaging content attracts and retains customers. Promotion is crucial for revenue growth. Businesses provide relevant information to stakeholders. This includes financial data for investors. Regulatory updates are shared with authorities. Suppliers get operational details. Informing stakeholders builds transparency and trust. Consistent communication enhances brand reputation. Transparency and engagement are key. A positive image attracts new clients. It also increases customer loyalty. Brand reputation is vital for competitive advantage. Effective communication is crucial in crises. It helps manage the company's reputation. Businesses address public concerns promptly. Clear communication minimizes negative impacts. Stakeholder confidence is maintained through transparency. Press releases and advertising campaigns are common methods. Social media posts engage a wide audience. Websites offer comprehensive information. Newsletters keep customers informed. Each method serves a specific purpose. Different methods have unique advantages. Press releases reach wide audiences. Advertising offers creative messaging. Social media allows direct engagement. Websites provide detailed information. Choosing the right method is crucial. Stakeholder analysis identifies key external stakeholders. It assesses their interests and influence. Understanding stakeholders helps tailor communication. Effective engagement strategies are developed. This analysis guides decision-making. Stakeholder analysis aids in understanding perspectives. It helps manage conflicts and foster relationships. Businesses make informed decisions. Engaging stakeholders effectively is crucial. This process supports organizational goals. Barriers include cultural differences and language issues. Distance and time zones can hinder dialogue. Technological barriers affect information sharing. Complex information may lead to misunderstandings. Addressing these barriers is essential. Training programs enhance cultural competency. Appropriate technologies improve communication. Simplifying complex information aids understanding. Legal compliance ensures transparency. Proactive engagement resolves potential issues. Businesses must comply with legal requirements. Ethical communication builds trust. Transparency is key in external dealings. Compliance avoids legal issues. Ethical practices enhance reputation. Technology facilitates efficient communication. It connects businesses with global audiences. Digital tools enhance message delivery. Social media and emails are widely used. Technology is integral to modern communication. Businesses must adapt to external changes. Market trends influence communication strategies. Regulatory updates require swift responses. Stakeholder dynamics evolve over time. Adaptation ensures continued success. External communication is vital for business success. It involves engaging with various stakeholders. Understanding and adapting to challenges is key. Businesses must communicate effectively and ethically. This ensures strong relationships and growth.